Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now on your profile page, locate and click on the menu icon at the top right. Hang on for the menu page to open. Then click on Account Center. Under Account Center, scroll down. Locate and click on Accounts. And then under Accounts, locate your Facebook account and then click on Remove. Then choose spot that says, are you sure you want to remove your Facebook account from Instagram Account Center? Go ahead and click on Remove Account. Then click on Continue from the pop. Once you click on Continue, hang on, should say Finish removing your account, then click on Yes, Finish removing. And then hang on. Once you click on Finish removing, this is going to remove your Facebook account from your Instagram account or your Instagram account from your Facebook account. And then you're good. It should say you remove your Facebook account. If you change your mind, you can re-add this account at any time. Click on OK, and that is it. So that is basically how to remove or unlink Facebook account from Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.